Hello guys, I will do another quick video here. So Umbrel is saying that you can run Umbrel OS with a 2 GB RAM for Raspberry Pi or whatever single board computer. I find Odroid M1 to be good one. They have 4 GB and 8 GB option, but what happened when I restarted the Umbrel node, you see I have the main apps installed. So it took 6.3 gigabytes. Now it's 4.2 gigabytes. Only this main apps installed. Lighting node is neither running. I haven't set up anything. Just the Bitcoin full node is going and fully synchronized. So you can see in settings, if I open in Umbrel OS settings, usage, you can see that the mempool is taking a lot. To see the mempool, Bitcoin node is already taking 800, so if I put together 800 plus the system 300 sorry, I already get 1.2. so if you really only want to run Bitcoin node, 2 gigabyte, maybe it's okay. I'm running it in Ubuntu Mate or Ubuntu server in the future probably. So if you want to add lighting node, electors, PTC pay server, example mempool, then it goes easily already over 4 gigabyte like it is now. And also the initial sync is faster if you have more RAM. Because it will use all the RAM. So let's say 8 gigabyte is always better. And also you can see from the, I installed 2 terabyte NVMe SSD, but you can see it's taking already 720 gigabyte. So if Bitcoin node was 556 and 720, you can calculate easily that Umbrel is taking 160 gigabytes already. So it's a lot. So there is like, you could put another neither 200-300 movies there. So and the Bitcoin node is also growing. I think every week for 1 to 3 gigas every week. So yeah, every year you will use another 50 to 150 gigas. Yeah, so it should be still good for a few years if you only want to run Bitcoin node, but strongly recommended 2 terabyte option if you run it for also the Lightning Network node and so on. And the good alternative for Raspberry Pi is the Odroid M1 single computer board with 8 gigabyte RAM. I will make a video also to show it. Okay, if you have some questions, put them downstairs and click subscribe. Thank you. Bye.